this is our last example in 6.1, and it's my favorite problem. Now, I do want to tell you something before we get getting started. If you're looking on the notes document and you see example 7 and it says snack mixtures at Max's, Munchies, yada yada, that's actually not the problem that we're going to do. If you will, just scratch that problem out and look at this problem instead. You can write the words down to it on the next page or right below it if you want, but we're going to work this problem because this problem is like what we have in the homework. Anyway, what we're going to do is this is an application and we have to take what is here and we're going to solve the application by setting up a system and solving the system. So during a 1-month promotional campaign, Franz Flicks gave either a DVD rental or a popcorn to new members. Okay. It cost $1 for each rental and $2 for each popcorn. And all they had 50 new members. And the store's cost for incentives was $74. How many of each incentive was given? So we need to know how many popcorns were given out and how many DVDs were given out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two equations. One's going to be a money equation. Let's see, let me circle where I see money at. I see money here for the DVDs. I see money here for the popcorns, and I see a total right here. And then I see, let's look, and let me choose a different color. The only other number I see is 50, and that's talking about the new members. Now I do see the 12 serving box of popcorn. That number 12 is just describing the popcorn. That's like saying this is Orville Redenbacher's popcorn. Okay, I don't care. That's just a description of the popcorn. Okay. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to set up a money equation because I know. Now watch what I'm about to do. I'm about to do something creative. I know that there are $1 DVDs, and I know that there are $2 popcorns, and altogether we spent $74. Notice I didn't use X and Y. I could have, but if I used X and Y when I got to the end, I would solve for X and I would solve for Y, and I would have to figure out what X represented. Did it represent the popcorn or the rental? And then I'd have to determine what Y represented. Did it represent the popcorn or the rental? This way I know. $1 DVDs, $2 popcorns, and when I solve for D, that's DVDs. When I solve for P, that's popcorn. So I have a money equation. I'm going to just write out to the side money equation. And then I can say, the total was $74. Well, I do have a total for people. Total people is 50. And you know what? People are created equal. DVD people are no greater than popcorn people. So all of the DVD people together and all of the popcorn people together will give me 50 people. Now, and I call this my people equation. Now that I have these two equations, this represents a system. And what I could do, and I'll do my work in white. Let's multiply that people equation by let's multiply it by -1, because if we do, we get -1d minus 1p equals -50. And I could leave the top equation, the money equation, as it is. And I can eliminate d right here. So the d's eliminate, and I'm left with p equaling 74 plus -50, which is 24 people. So I know that 24 free popcorns were given away. Now all I have to do to find D is say, let's just plug it back into one of them. I'll plug it back into the bottom one. 1D plus 1P equals 50. So D plus 24 equals 50, and subtract 24 from both sides, and you get 26 equals D. So 26 free DVDs were given, and 24 free popcorns.